Alright guys, so in today's video we have a Hyundai Veloster N, and it does have the performance package on it. It's a 2020. Let me give you guys just a subtle walk around. I do like the little kind of fading effect that the carbon decals have on the side. Just give you guys a brief walk around and then we can get into the cold start. But I've always wanted to review this car, and as you guys know, I used to have a Genesis Coupe, so this hits like a soft spot for me, so I can't wait to drive it. Let's get it. All right. Ooh, door's a bit heavy. All right. All right, so let's give the car a start up and see how it sounds. It is a 6-speed manual, so we're gonna have some fun, boys. Let's give it some revs. I always thought these blue seat belts were a super nice touch in the Veloster N. Usually you find these colored seat belts in like exotic cars. But just off the bat, first impressions, interior is actually really nice for the price you pay. I believe these cars start at the $30,000 range, but you can find them on the used market for like $25K. But I won't do a lot of talking, we're going to do more driving. But just steering wheel, super thick, nicely bolstered, perforated leather. I do like the little blue subtle hitch right here, and the N badging, of course. We do have a 6-speed manual transmission, so that's going to be fun. And we're gonna just go right ahead and turn off traction control. Before we get into this review, guys, if you are new, be sure to subscribe to the channel because I got a lot more dope, sick cars I'm gonna be reviewing. So just stay tuned. And with all that said, let's go on a drive. I just want to thank my homie Gian. He is the owner of this Veloster, and he's super cool. We met for the first time, and he's a super cool guy, and he's, you know, letting me drive his car. He has a lot of trust in me, so I won't let you down, Gian. But let's get this review. And yeah, guys, so just starting off, really easy. It's like a super easy car to drive. As far as manual, so if you are looking to pick one of these up, don't worry, it's not like some, you know, super difficult car. And Gian's Veloster does have a aftermarket blow-off valve, so that is pretty sick. If you guys heard from the revving, you could hear the blow-off valve. It sounds super good, so I can't wait for us to put the windows down and to just listen to that 4-cylinder turbo. Yeah, like I said, guys, I used to have a Genesis Coupe, so this car definitely, it has a soft spot for me. I'm not a big Korean car fan. I do like the Genesis and everything they're doing, and the Kia Stinger and whatnot, but this car, you know, it's a soft spot for me. So clutch is really light. But it's a super easy car to drive, guys. Definitely, I'd say, like, I've driven a 2015 WRX. It definitely feels like a 2015, like just transmission wise, just shifting. And Gian does tell me that this car has, oh wow, braking is really extremely good. All right, we should be good. Gian does tell me that this car has automatic rev matching, so I don't even need to do anything. So we'll give that a try and see how it feels. I've never driven a car with that, so I'm super excited. It's like, it is a cool factor that you know how to rev match, but if your car does it for you, you get the best of both worlds. And you can turn it off if you guys want, so that's always good. But just comfortability, like this car is like, I feel like I can drive this on a road trip. So you get the best of both worlds. You get a sports car and a super comfortable car, which is what, you know, you definitely want to look for. On the other hand, I like the hardcore, just true sports cars like the Z, super tight 2-seater. But this, it has rear seats, so you can take 4, probably fit 5 people in it. And yeah, it is, it's super like comfortable to drive. So we're gonna head on some back roads soon and just give this car the juice. See, you know, if it can hang, how it handles, braking, cornering, all that. So I'm super excited, guys. All right, we are good. Still getting a feel for the trans, but super cool. You can just hear the blow-off valve. It's like sneezing every time you shift. Super awesome touch that Gian did. I believe he said he's going for an exhaust next, so this thing should sound absolutely wicked. But out the gate, the exhaust sounds really good stock. So let's see what happens if we change the race mode. All right, so we have eco, we have normal, and we have sport. So we're gonna throw it in sport, of course. And I believe this car, it has some wicked burbles too. It has like a tune that's programmed in the car stock. And oh yeah, it does rev match for you. But I can't wait to hear those burbles. I don't know if you guys will pick it up, but oh yeah, it's definitely, it has like a little burble tune to it. See if we hit N mode. Oh, that's so wicked. Yeah, I remember watching videos about this car. It has like a whole statistic type analog screen, and it has all your torque, power, turbo, boost, PSI, everything. It probably even has like, it has your lateral and longitude G's too. That's super cool. Wow. And then Gian has this cool little Jordan shoe. Sick. Oh, he got a Mini Cooper trying to play. Oh, he's got a little tune on it. So let's see how this thing corners. Wow. Let's see how this thing pulls. Wow. This thing definitely has some torque steer to it, but it gives it that that fun factor. Guys, I'm very impressed. I have nothing but good things to say about this car. Oh wow. It just blips the throttle like perfectly. You don't even have to like try. Alright. Alright. Handles really well, guys. 370. believe he told me this car makes like 270 horsepower, and I think he said 270 torque. So to the wheel, I think Gian said it was like 230 something, but definitely this car, it pulls, and it's a lot of drama, it's a lot of fun, it handles absolutely amazing, and yeah, I'm really enjoying the gear ratio too. Damn, baller alert. Sheesh. He's got the Audi on some 22s. Automatic downshifts. Stay in boost, stay in boost. Then when you get out, see how she handles, guys. Wow. Yeah, once you have this thing in boost, guys, this thing is ready to boogie. I wish you guys could be in the passenger seat with me, because this thing, G37, this thing is wicked for sure. Guys, first impressions going in, I knew this car was going to handle amazing. I knew that, you know, this car's rival is the Civic Type R, the new Civic Type R that just came out, so definitely Hyundai set the bar super high for this car. And I think after driving this car has over exceeded my expectations. It handles amazing, it is super comfortable, it's a blast to drive, the car pulls hard from factory. The only thing that's on this personal Veloster end is a blow-off valve, guys, and honestly, you know, out the gate, that's all you need. Just throw on a little blow-off valve, maybe an exhaust, and this car is a blast to drive, guys. It's absolutely wicked. You guys saw this car can hang, it's spicy. You can hold 4 or 5 people in here, so absolutely I've fallen in love with this car, and I'm definitely going to be looking at these a lot more often. Who knows, maybe in the future I pick up one of these, because these things are amazing, and I only expect great things from Hyundai and Genesis and Kia as well in the near future, because guys, definitely they've found kind of their flow in the car industry, and they're definitely doing things the right way. So with all that said, guys, I'm gonna wrap up today's review. You know, this car is awesome, and definitely if you guys are in the market for it and you consider picking it up, I give it the stamp of approval. I just want to say thank you, Gian, so much for allowing me to drive your car. I know I pushed it a little bit, but how could I not? This is absolutely amazing car. So with all that said, guys, I will see you in the next video, and until then, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, and peace out, guys. Thank you so much.